Hi, my name is Sheena White and I'm the founder of KAPOW, a fabulous series of workshops that are designed to help you get the most out of your personal brand and put together an action plan for success. We run workshops regularly in Lincoln and people are saying great things about the workshops, which you can find out a bit more about on our Facebook page and through the website. But what I want to do now is just to give you 3 things that you can take away today to get started thinking about building a strong personal brand. And the first element that you need to think about is whether or not you are the right fit for your business. If you don't get up in the morning and feel like you really want to get started and get stuck in and your business excites you, if you get up in the morning and dread going to work and really don't feel like you're getting the most out of where you spend the most time in your life, maybe you're a square peg in a round hole. And KAPOW workshops can help you define that by working out what success means to you and how you can get there, and what your role models are within business and or the workplace. So the first thing you need to think about is it you that's making you unhappy? And the second thing that you need to think about is, if it is you, do something about it. If you find that you are looking for success in an arena that maybe isn't really working out for you, then the next thing that you can think about is developing a strong personal brand to help you make the next step. And that can be as an employee or as a small business owner or as a return to worker or just somebody maybe who's looking for a little bit of help to work out where to go next. The KAPOW workshops aren't about lifestyle coaching. They're not about business coaching either. But what they are about is giving you some skills and ideas and thoughts to take away to build a plan to help you decide what your next step is going to be. So the second thing I had for you to hear is go ahead and think about developing it. And then the last thing, and in fact the most important thing, is if you go through that journey and you've looked at where you are and you've looked at where you'd like to go, then the next thing that you need to do is go there and develop it. Develop it and then deliver it. And you need to deliver that personal branding message consistently. You need to be the best you that you can be. And if you're not sure that you're being the best you, then why not book now for KAPOW? We have workshops running in Lincoln regularly and contact details are at the end of this video.